This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Darling Morrow. Beautiful and spacious upgraded 2-bedroom 2-bath home. Bright, open floor plan has plenty of room for the family with a separate living room and eat-in kitchen, plus a huge bonus room big enough for a pool table, big screen TV, or can be used as a nursey or spacious craft room. Luxury vinyl throughout the home is stylish, comfortable on your feet, and is easy to clean. You'll enjoy your privacy in your master bedroom with ensuite. There is easy access to your finished 1-car garage with parking for up to 4 cars in your spacious 2-car wide driveway. Premium cordless blinds on all windows throughout the home. Beautiful oak trees in the backyard provide shade, ready for a tree swing. Ceiling fans and lots of natural light make this a bright and comfortable home.